Meaning of footie.
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 Footie. Footie is a British slang term used to refer to the sport of football, known as soccer in the United States. It is typically used in casual conversation among friends or fans of the sport. The term originated in the 1950s and has since become an established part of British English vocabulary, particularly in working-class communities. The popularity of football in the UK makes footie a widely recognized term, with a cultural significance that extends beyond the sport itself. Overall, footie is an informal and colloquial way of referring to one of Britain's most beloved pastimes.